Hey everyone, I'm Santiago Cueto, board certified international business attorney based right here in Miami. I've helped business owners across Florida avoid lawsuits, protect their assets, and stay compliant with the law. Today we're diving into the top 5 business laws every Florida business owner must know, and trust me, understanding these could save you time, money, and major legal headaches. Let's jump in. Number 1, Florida Business Corporations and LLCs. If you formed a corporation or LLC in Florida, Florida's revised Limited Liability Company Act and the Florida Business Corporation Act make up your rulebook. It outlines how your company must operate, things like annual reports, shareholder rights, board duties, and how to properly dissolve the business. Here's why it matters. If you don't follow the rules, like holding annual meetings or documenting major decisions, a court can pierce the corporate veil. That means you could be personally liable for the business's debts. Here's a quick tip. Keep clean records, follow your bylaws or operating agreement, and file your annual report with the state on time every year by May 1st. Number 2, Florida's Unfair Trade Practices Act. Ever run a marketing campaign, made a bold claim, or had fine print in a contract? You might be at risk under Florida's Deceptive and Unfair Trade Practices Act, or FDUTPA. This law protects consumers from misleading or deceptive business conduct, and the definition is broad. Here's why it matters. A single complaint can trigger an investigation, and if you're found in violation, you could be facing injunctions, monetary damages, and attorney's fees. Here's a quick tip. Be transparent in your advertising. Use clear contract language and don't make promises you can't keep. Number 3, non-compete agreements. Florida has some of the strongest enforceable non-compete laws in the country, but they still have limits. Under Florida Statute 542.335, non-compete clauses must protect a legitimate business interest, and they have to be reasonable in duration, geography, and scope. Here's why it matters. Write a non-compete that's too broad or vague, it gets thrown out. But write it well, and you can protect your business from unfair competition and client poaching. Here's a quick tip. Always tailor non-competes to the role and region. One size fits all rarely works in court. Number 4, Florida employment laws. Whether you have 1 employee or 100, you need to know your obligations under state and federal labor laws. That includes things like paying Florida's current minimum wage, which increases yearly, properly classifying workers, and complying with anti-discrimination and retaliation laws. Here's why it matters. Misclassification, unpaid overtime, or wrongful termination claims can lead to thousands in back pay, penalties, or even lawsuits. Here's a quick tip. Use clear offer letters, keep timesheets, and consult with counsel before firing anyone in a sensitive role. And number 5, contract law. Florida contract law may look simple, a deal, an offer, an acceptance, but things get tricky when you add clauses like indemnity, liquidated damages, or force majeure. Certain contract terms are heavily scrutinized in Florida, especially in construction, real estate, and service-based businesses. Here's why it matters. A contract that's poorly drafted or copied from the internet can be unenforceable or even backfire in court. Here's a quick tip. Always have a Florida licensed attorney draft or review your contracts, especially those with arbitration clauses or large dollar amounts. These 5 laws are just the beginning, but knowing them gives your business a massive edge. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. And if you want to avoid lawsuits and protect your business the smart way, download my free guide, Litigation Lockdown. Links below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.